How to unlock home screen layout on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unlock home screen layout on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application on your device. Now scroll down, locate home screen and lock screen. Scroll down and locate option for Lock home screen layout. Simply to unlock, you need to toggle off the button and make it to gray. Locking the home screen layout prevent from being changed. So if you are irritated by that, you can simply unlock by toggling off the button. So that how we unlock home screen layout on Android device. Now you can make any changes on your home screen layout. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.